Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a summary of YouTube videos using ChatGPT. We'll cover the essential steps from extracting the video's content to crafting a concise summary. This guide will help you quickly grasp the main points of any video, saving you valuable time and enhancing your learning experience. You'll learn to leverage AI for efficient information extraction, making your video consumption much more productive and focused. First, you need the video's transcript. Many YouTube videos offer a built-in transcript feature, usually found under the three dots menu. Simply copy this text. If a transcript isn't available, consider using a reliable third-party service to generate one. Ensure the text is clean, removing any timestamps or speaker labels so ChatGPT can process it smoothly. This step is crucial for accurate summarization. Once you have your clean transcript, paste it into ChatGPT. The key here is crafting effective prompts. Ask for a summary of about 100 to 150 words, or perhaps 3 to 5 key takeaways. You can specify the desired tone or focus, like summarize for a beginner or extract action items. Experiment with different prompts to achieve the best results for your specific needs. For longer videos, break the transcript into smaller chunks, perhaps 1/4 of the total length, and summarize each part separately before combining. Always specify the summary's purpose, such as for a business meeting or for personal notes. After ChatGPT generates the summary, take a moment to review and edit it. Ensure it accurately reflects the video's content and meets your requirements for clarity and conciseness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.